Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Cruze LTZ with the RS package. Stock number Z8290XXA. Only 41,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Silver ice metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again only 41,000 miles. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror. And moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.